Everyone loves roast chicken, but sometimes you need to dress it up. If you're going to roast a whole chicken, try this technique, Spatchcock. It means that you split open the bird, or it's a type of butterflying. It looks a lot more difficult than it really is. All you have to do is cut out the backbone with some sharp kitchen shears. Flip your bird over and break the breastplate so that the bird lies flat. This method is great for grilling whole chicken or making one of my favorite, blazing roasted chicken. I love this recipe because it's so yummy and spicy and easy to make. First, spatchcock your chicken. Then place your chicken in a shallow dish. Pour on the juice of 1 lemon, and in a small bowl, add in 4 cloves of garlic that's minced, 1 tablespoon each of cayenne pepper, paprika, and oregano, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Combine your spices thoroughly until mixed through, and rub your mixture over the chicken, making sure to cover all your areas. Let it marinate in the fridge overnight and bring back to room temperature before roasting. Season your chicken with salt on both sides and place on a baking sheet. There's no need to preheat the oven for this one. It makes for a luscious skin. Put your pan in the cold oven and turn the oven on to 425 degrees. Roast for about an hour until the juices run clear through the thigh. Now, this is a wonderful recipe that I love, and it's one of the first recipes that I got down when I first started cooking, so it's a great memory for me. But you can use this spatchcock technique for any type of bird like turkey or Cornish hens, and with any kind of seasonings like a jerk or flavorful Peruvian seasoning. You can find recipes for both the jerk and Peruvian chicken on my website, so go check them out. However you dress up your whole roast chicken, just remember this technique and ease your mind and elevate your presentation skills, and your guests will be impressed before their first bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.